Hi, this is Arunachalam. Today let us analyze the stock Sasta Sundar Ventures. So I have found a swing trade and one of our subscriber also asked the analysis of this company. So now let's analyze the company on technical basis. This is the monthly chart of Sasta Sundar Ventures. So let me draw the major resistance area for the stock. So this can be taken as the major resistance area. Look at the price action here. The stock fell here to the price range of 20 and once again it came to the same range of listing, but it once again fell to the price range of 45 and it once again raised it to the price range of 130 and once again it fell and once again it formed, once again it fell. The same oscillating movements is happening, but in this breakout time it's a different story actually. Look at the candle here, touches the just a candle touches the price range and falls below, and here also the same story happened, and even here the stock tried to move up but came down. Here also the same story, a candle tried to move up but came down, but look at here, a candle tried to break this level but it could not sustain at that high price and it came down and it formed a super accumulation zone near the resistance level. The accumulation formed near the resistance is a good sign for going long. Once the breakout was happened, the stock flied like anything. And look at the technicals. The technicals is very superb in stock because after a good accumulation zone, the stock started flying in the upper side. So this is a good stock to go long because it follows the technicals completely. Currently the stock is in the upper circuit, but the circuit is just today, so it's good to trade in the stock. So let me move to the weekly chart now. So this is the weekly chart. Look at the accumulation zone. The accumulation was very superb because look at the volumes in the red. The volumes are very low in the red candles and green volumes are very huge, that which means the buyers are in dominant positions in the stock, and which came from a price range of 100, which is almost 125 to 160 rupees appreciation within a matter of few weeks. So the stock could be a next bull runner in this segment. So let's move to the daily chart. Before moving to the daily chart, make sure you subscribe to our channel so that we will be encouraged to do such videos on regular basis. So this is the daily chart of the stock. Let me use the Fibonacci retracement to show the analysis. So this is the Fibonacci levels. The stock took a retracement perfectly at 0.618 level. So the stock is a very good technical follower stock, and the stock gave a perfect rejection at the price range of 109, which is the level of Fibonacci. So one should go long in such stocks to get a good return with low risk. And look at the chart here. The chart gave a breakout from this level also, which is around 1.618 level. So one can expect the price range of 334 level, which is 2.618 Fibonacci number. So once the Fibonacci lines was crossed, then one can expect a up move to the next line. If the line was crossed, then one can expect a small retracement and a up move to the next line. So look at the candles here. The stock gave a breakout here and it took a retracement and it slightly moves to the upper levels, which is around 224, and now it also gave a breakout here and took a retracement. And look at the rejection here, it is formed a doji and it's a doji and it also gave a morning star pattern here. Look at the pattern, and now the stock came down to the price range of 234, but it could not sustain because the buyers are buying at any price. So the stock locked in upper circuit. If you get a chance to buy this, just blindly buy this stock because the stock may rally up to the price range of 334 335 range. So one can expect the target of 335 from the entry price of above the 360 price range. So one can expect a 30% up move in the very short term, because the valuation of the company is very low and the company's business are reopening. So one can expect a good target of 30% within few months. So that's all for today. Make sure you subscribe to our channel so that we will be encouraged to do such videos on regular basis. And thank you for watching our videos. Thank you. Just a candle touches the price range and fell